Hey guys, it's me Stefan. I'm here in the first class from Lufthansa in the Airbus A380 and I'm so lucky. I'm the only one in this first class here. I can make what I want, all after the intro. A very warm welcome on this airplane on the A380 in the first class from Lufthansa with a glass of champagne and special nuts, macadamia nuts. And look here, the amazing flight attendant brought me fresh red roses. It looks so nice. This flight goes around 11 hours and I hope so I can enjoy all of this here. Lufthansa has a really good service here in this airport. I don't have to wait in the lane or something else. I was so shortly in my lounge. It was really nice. And this is the hot towel here from Lufthansa and it smells so good, like a really famous perfume eau de toilette, but I don't know the name. But I know this smelling. Nice. A reason for the huge room here is only 2 rows is you haven't overhead compartment. You have to do your bags or luggage in this compartment here, and you have so much space for many bags here. Good. This is your seat here in the first class in the A380 from Lufthansa. You have so much space. Okay, it's not as sweet like Emirates or other airlines, but you can take this wall up for more privacy, but it's not important. I think I'm so flashed from the space and for the storage compartments. Here the Ottoman has so much space for something like what you want. And here is the table. Here is a storage compartment and here is the same. Here is the controller for the monitor, but the monitor I think is for me a little bit too small. Other airlines have a bigger one like Emirates or Etihad. Here is for this huge room, so little. I think this is too little, I think. So okay, it's the only one that I not like. Here on the right side is the controller for the seat. You can control the Ottoman. That's so nice. I show you. Here you have this, push this button and the Ottoman comes to you. Cool. That's all what you get when you come to the airplane. It's are many things here. Here is the blanket, the big blanket, the pyjama, I'll show you later, the slippers, and I have 2 amenity kits for women and for men. So, and now I will relaxing and I try the slippers. When you want privacy, okay, it's not the same like Emirates with their own suites, but you can push here for privacy and the wall come out on the right side, and you can push here on the left side for this small wall, and so you have your own suite. Yeah, that's good. I'm alone here and I can order what I want. I can make what I want here. It's so nice. It's the best time, the best flight ever I really had. So thank you very much to Lufthansa for this amazing adventure. I think your skin don't get dry here in this first class. Normally it's 5% hydro, but here it's 25%. So I think you don't have to go in the toilet to refresh or take a cream. You don't need it here. That's good. Yeah. And we're on the way. The service starts really quickly with a glass of really good white wine from the Napa Valley, California. Cheers. And a little canapé with salmon on a pumpernickel white wine. The choice is not really easy. You have so many things to order here. The important caviar is at first. And after that, you can choose between 4 aperitif or 4 main menus and 3 dessert.
Für den Kaviar.
Cool.
Bitte schön.
Dankeschön. Thank you, Lufthansa, for this spoon. It's a Perlmutt spoon. Then it's a better way to eat caviar. So, and this is the caviar here for Lufthansa on a plate with lemon, onions, and here is a plate with sour cream and egg, yellow egg and white egg, and a toast. This is a typical German food, brezel.
Ja?
The choice is so difficult, so I make my own wine tasting here in the air with Lufthansa. Lass mal weitermachen. Auch nicht schlecht. But the best one, I think, is the South African red wine. The first one was the best one. This is the drink list. You have so many options. The best one is the champagne, I think, and you have the choice between 4 good white wines and really good red wines. For my best red wine is the South African red wine. Is from Bellingham, and I was there last year, and it was a really good red wine. And here is also the best red wine. So you can get a dessert wine, port wine, and many more soft drinks and spirits like whiskey, Tennessee whiskey, Johnny Walker. This is a typical German food. It's called Schweinshaxe, but it's not really typical German food. It's a Schweinshaxe on Asian style. So I can eat with sticks. I learned it in Shanghai. And yeah. And it's really, really good. And the best one is the cheeseburger with a little bit chips and course salad. It's not the biggest cheeseburger, but really you are in the airplane and I like it. special one here in the A380 from Lufthansa is the pissoir in the first class restroom. In the amenity kit is not a deodorant inside, but here in the restroom you find a special deodorant and razor if you like, and creams. And you find all here in the first class the fresh red rose. I think that is a really special one. This is here the blanket from Lufthansa. It's not so flashy like Emirates or Etihad, but it's the same size. It's really big and I think it's really okay. It's good. This is the pyjama. Here is the top and this is the hose. I think it's really good. And this is the Amenity Kit. The black one is for gents and the gray one for women. So I'm really excited about what is inside. I'll show you later. So this is the different amenity kits for man, for women. So I open the man amenity kit. Ta-da! Here is the Lufthansa what is this? This is, I think, the socks. Oh, so many things. Yeah, these are the socks. Here is for the headset, hygienic. What is this? This is, I think, eye shade. Yeah, it's eye shade. Oh, this looks really spacey, I think. Lufthansa, and this is a special one, I think. I had never seen it before. It's soft here and it looks like a really good quality. Oh, here for shoes, and oh, here is the hand cream inside, lip balm inside, and skincare. Yeah, 3 creams in this size. Here are the earplugs, I think. Yeah, these are the earplugs. And more is inside. Here are the cool Fisherman's Friend. That's the first airline that have that. Here are the toothbrush and toothpaste. Little bit information, more information. Oh no, yes. Lens wipe is also the first airline they have that. So that was it. That was all inside the man amenity kit. Here on your left side are the headphones, the headset, and it's from Bose, and I like it so much. This is so good quality. You take it off and you can hear nothing. It's so noise cancelling, really, and I can only hear the music, not more. That's really good. So it's a German airline, it's German food, it's German stuff here, so I can get a German beer. Erdinger Weißbier. Prost! the bed from Lufthansa. It's so nice. Here is the really soft blanket and big soft, and this is the soft pillow. It's famous brand mark from a German factory. I have this at my home and it's so comfortable. So when I wanted to sleep, I have really good sleep, but I don't have time here. And this is the bed here on Lufthansa A380 First Class, and I'm so flashed. You have here a super soft blanket. So guys, that was my flight in Lufthansa A380 in the first class. It was unbelievable. So I never forget this experience here in this cabin, this flight. So I hope you enjoyed my video. Please thumbs up when you like it and subscribe to my channel. I have more flight report from Lufthansa or from Emirates in the first class as well. So thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.